Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix T dating advice app not working. So if you're currently having problems with your T app that it's not working for you and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is what you can do. You can firstly just close your T app and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So now in the settings app, then what we're going to do is to just scroll down in here and then we're just going to simply click on general. So click on general and as you can see we should now be taken to this page, which is of course very good. So scroll down in here and then click on storage, and then now we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load, and then when it's done we're just going to swipe up like this until we can see the search bar up top. So click on search. Now search for T in here and then just click on T. As you can see, now we're just going to click on offload app and click once again on offload app in here. And then click on the blue button here once again. And then just simply wait for your T dating advice app now to completely update to its latest version. And then when it's done, you can just go back into the app and hopefully then it's going to be fixed for you as well.